Spinning fast with a zap and a crack. Subtraction is the only way to stop them in their track. Charge up the nitro cannon with a vroom vroom splash. 3 drones vaporized in a cosmic flash. 20 minus 3, now 17 remain. Shout out the answer, make them scatter like rain. 20 space pirates came out to play. Mathstronaut skills will drive them away. Take them all down so they never come back. A mathstronaut's strength, the ability to subtract. The ability to subtract. Yeah. 17 drones hovering the line. 5 drift close, target practice time. Charge up the cannon, solve the equation. 17 minus 5, 12 fends off the invasion. 12